Hey guys, today I'm making fish curry. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Start by patting your fish dry and setting them aside. Then in a pot on high heat, add in your cumin seeds, coriander seed, mustard seed, and fenugreek seeds. Toast them lightly till the little mustard seeds begin to pop. Remove it from the heat and place it into your coffee or spice grinder and grind till fine. Then set it aside till needed. In a shallow pot on high heat, add in the oil and onion. Mix the onions well and allow them to fry till golden brown. Add the tamarind to the hot water and set it aside till needed. When the onions are brown, add in the curry leaf, ground seeds, chili powder, and turmeric. Mix it well and add in the garlic paste and the grated tomatoes. I remove the skin from my tomatoes and put it in a blender. Mix it well and season with some salt and black pepper. Allow this to cook covered on medium-low heat for 15 to 20 minutes till the tomatoes soften and the gravy thickens. Strain the tamarind mixture into the tomatoes. Mix it well and simmer for about 5 minutes. Place your pieces of fish on top of the gravy. Then cook covered on medium-low for about 10 to 15 minutes. Mix it lightly. If you're using a delicate fish, you don't want to break it up too much. Garnish with fresh coriander, and it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!